We have to go. Everyone's waiting for us. Go.
Alright, give me 1 second. Hold on. Alright. Hurry up! Give me 1 second, man.
You're gonna be freezing out there waiting.
Oh, please.
Are you ready yet?
Give me 1 second.
Are you ready yet?
Come on, Heather, come on. Look, now we're waiting for you.
Dude, you're on the computer. Hurry up. We're waiting for you. Yeah, okay.
Well,
Look who's taking forever.
I'm already out the door.
shut up. I gotta turn the light off. Do you have your cell phone, your Colby card? You got everything?
Oh, wait, hold on. Give me 1 second, 1 second, 1 second.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, I got it.
Alright, come on. Let's go. Oh no. Stephanie, do your shoes match?
Wait, hold on. Give me 1 second.
Did they match?
Oh, no, I gotta change it.